Maximize your packing list by going minimalist. While other YouTubers rave about the latest travel gadgets, I'm here to shake up your packing list with 10 game-changing items that will become your long flight essentials. But wait, stick around until the end for a question that might just challenge your travel mindset. Do you really need this everyday carry item when you travel, or even at home? Welcome aboard Linky Lifestyle. I'm Mardi, and alongside my husband Michael, we're dedicated to transforming your travel adventures. Get on board for expert insights from years of globetrotting combined with thrilling advice that will elevate your travel game to new heights. In this video, I reveal the travel essentials that you really need and the items that you should ditch. From unnecessary tech to bulky accessories, I break down the items that will only weigh you down. Get ready to travel smarter and lighter with my expert advice. Hand sanitizer? Yes, it's a must to keep those germs at bay, but ditch that bulky bottle of liquid for handy wipes. Not only do they save precious space in your liquids bag, but they also reduce plastic waste. Environmentally friendly and practical. When I embarked on my journey as a long-haul flyer, I was always excited to discover those tiny bottles of moisturiser and mini tubes of toothpaste created just for travellers. However, it didn't take long for me to realise that these single-use items were contributing to the waste in our landfills. That's when I decided to change my approach. Now I collect the free samples from my beauty purchases, or I conveniently transfer my liquids into smaller containers, such as contact lens cases. It's a win-win-win situation. I'm minimising plastic waste, I'm saving money not buying those specialty products, and maximising space in my liquids bag. Charging gear? I've perfected it down to an art. My cables are all USB-C to USB-C, but on most flights the outlet is USB-A. Instead of lugging another cable, I bring a tiny USB-A to USB-C adapter. It's about the size of a thumbnail. Space saving, lightweight, and efficiency in a teeny tiny package. And how about power banks? Many YouTubers endorse the iWalk for its convenience, but look, with just 4,500 milliamp hours, it won't cut it for long haul flights. That won't even fully charge an iPhone. Instead, opt for a higher capacity one, like the Nightcore NB10000, which packs power in a compact size, perfect for charging multiple devices without the stress of a limited power supply. Or if you want to go maximalist, try Michael's favourite with a mega 30,000 milliamp hours. I've linked a similar one in the description below. I see so many YouTubers recommending huge items such as heavy water bottles and bulky pill boxes. Ditch those space wasters and instead use a collapsible bottle and pack your pills in a Ziploc bag or two. As I recommended in my video about 5 things to have on hand for your flight, your carry-on and your back will thank you. Are you enjoying my recommendations? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications because there's plenty more where this is coming from. And I've changed up my studio, have you noticed? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. E-books were a revelation to me, and once I converted, I never went back. I hesitated for years until I realised they lighten my load like crazy. A week-long trip used to mean packing at least 4 heavy books. Yeah, I read a lot. Now, I read ebooks on my phone or iPad, saving both space and weight. And I don't have to worry about not having something to read, no matter where I am. Ditch that huge padded travel pillow and swap to one that takes less space. I have 3 options for you. An inflatable pillow, a stuffable pillow that you can fill with a down jacket or a hoodie, or the amazing turtle travel pillow which wraps around your neck like a scarf and has head support just where you need it. Luggage recommendations can be iffy too. You don't need a giant rollerboard suitcase and then have a huge backpack as your personal item. Instead, think strategically. I recently used the TomTok 9-litre sling for my personal item. It was spacious enough for my laptop, iPad and all my essential gadgets, yet it was sleek enough to be comfortable for airport navigation. And imagine having everything accessible at your seat. No more rummaging in the dark. Now, about that passport cover. Do you really need one? With many countries opting for scanner systems, it often complicates getting through immigration. Instead, designate a specific pocket in your bag or use a slim wallet that keeps everything handy without fuss. I carry ours in this Mimco one, and Michael loves the original Bellroy travel wallet. Now let's dive into that controversial topic, the wallet. Yes, that item that we cling to. I used to cart around a beautiful pink Tiffany one, but now I've switched to a minimalist zip pouch. But do I even need that? Recent trips made me realise that I can simply stash my essentials in my crossbody bag. With Apple Wallet and the like, and no longer needing cash, my wallet requirements are getting close to zero. But tell me what you think in the comments. I'd really love to know. Before we land, gear up for your next long-haul flight by checking out my playlist. Share your favourite travel hacks in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights. Until next time, safe travels and happy flying. Bye for now.